composer dependency 8.3, the PHP version issue. The PHP, when it is happened the PHP version issue in this Laravel project, you can solve this easily. Just go the project. So I am opening the folder. This is my CS2. So in this CS2, select folder. This is CS2. So CS2 folder, you have to check the vendor composer. Okay, platform check. So in this here, this if condition, just remove this condition, it will be solved. So go the browser and check this problem is solution. It's been solved. This is solution for it. Thank you.